Hello all and welcome back to my channel. My name is Diyashini if you're new here, and welcome back to another video. So today I am going to do a little fun kind of vlog because this is the first vlog that will enter towards the more festive season. So today I will give you guys a very big Christmas decor haul that I have collected over the last few years, and I will do that a little bit later. But before that, I have an event to go to. My college is hosting like an alumni dinner kind of thing, so I am going to go to that. So I'm going to get dressed now, and I will do a get ready with me session with you all, and then we'll head to my college. I'm going back to college after 3 years now. Actually 4 years, because the last year of college was in COVID, so didn't get to go there anyways, and then it was internships and also obviously there were no classes. So it will be fun going back to college. Not all of my friends are coming, but then it's okay. It'll be fun just to go and visit the old building, and then have the same food that we used to have every day, from the streets of in front of our college. So I will vlog that section as well, and then tonight I will give you guys a really nice Christmas haul, so stay tuned for that. And let's go ahead, get ready for the day. Getting ready now. I have already worn the outfit. I will show you that in a little bit, but I'm just using the Nykaa Matte to Last concealer to hide the under eye dark circles basically. I'm going to blend the whole thing with my fingers only. So I have blended the concealer. Now I'm going to use Nykaa Skin Genius compact powder just to set everything in place. This one. This college reunion thing that is happening, I am not sure how it's going to go. Because they have all these programs that they have set, timelines and everything. They have sent us the schedule, and feels like it might be interesting, but it also feels like it might be boring, because I am only going there just to meet up with a few friends and to eat food. Because of COVID, because we all stopped going to the college all of a sudden, like literally we went to college, we had our classes, then we came back, and on a Saturday we had this designers exhibition kind of thing, that where me and my friends, we volunteered, and then we came back from that, and then we got the mail from our HR, sorry, I'm work brain, got a message from our HOD that our college has been suspended for a week. So we thought, like, everyone went back home for their hometowns. Like, I live here, but everyone else, they went back to their hometowns for that, and then just never came back. Most of the people don't live in Kolkata, and I don't think anyone will just fly to Kolkata for just one reunion dinner. So yeah, anyways, I just used the Earth Rhythm lipstick tint for my blush, and I'm going to do the eyes, and I'm going to do that off camera. So the eyes are done. I know the lighting isn't like the perfect for here, but I will give you a better look of the entire makeup and outfit in a better lighting. But let's just get this done, because this is the best way I can position you guys and still see myself in the mirror. So I'm just finishing off with some lipstick from Sephora. It's in the shade 14. It's called Rouge or something. It's just basically a red lipstick. So that's done. I'm just going to brush through my hair quickly, put on all my jewelries, and then give you guys a full look. Fully ready now. Going to use some perfume just as a finishing touch. And here's a full outfit check. I'm carrying my new clip also. Good morning, guys. So I thought that yesterday I would give you guys a huge Christmas haul of all my decor that I have collected over the years and also everything that I've gotten this year. But then after the reunion, my friends and I, we decided to have a sleepover in my house. So we ended up just chatting throughout the whole night, so I obviously did not get to shoot that part. So now I'm going to shoot it, and welcome to a huge Christmas haul. Starting off with a few mugs that I've collected. So this is the one that I've gotten this year. It says Merry Everything and Happy Always, and it has this 3 stockings image here. The same thing over here. I love this mug. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen me make hot chocolate in one of these in this mug. So this is a new one, and I wanted something a little bit muted because the other two are very Christmassy. So I wanted something which gives the Christmas vibes but is a little bit muted. So like something in white or beige or something like that, and not like red and green. The next one is a very plain, simple red colored mug. It just says Merry Christmas on both the sides. It is kind of like engraved, so it has a bit of texture. This mug is quite huge if you compare it with this one. And the last one that I have is a gingerbread house. It's very cute design with this snow on top, a red handle. So these 2 mugs are not from here, so I won't be able to link it, but I will link the other mug. I got it from Meesho, so I will link everything that I've gotten this year. Anything that I've gotten online that I can link, I will link everything in the description below. You can check it out. I have this book by Cecilia Ahern called The Gift, and it looks very Christmassy, so I'm going to use this as a decor somewhere. The next thing that I have are these 2 very cute Christmas candles. It's this Christmas tree shaped candle, and it's a soy wax. So I don't know if that's bad or good or what, but this looks super cute. I will light them, but not for long because I don't want to disturb the shape. So I want to keep this for quite a few years. I don't want this to be the only year that I have this, so I won't be lighting it for a long period of time so that the wax doesn't melt much. So I will light it for the aesthetics and just getting some pictures, but I will use this as well. Now coming to a few decor pieces that I've had for quite some few years, and I got all this from Goriahat, the street market, so nothing will be linked, but I have these garlands that I usually like to decorate over my windowsill, like the pelmet area. So I have this garlands. It has this red, well, it is supposed to be those berries that you have. So I have these two garlands like this, and I have a wreath like this as well. I don't know where I will hang it, but I have something like this as well. My boyfriend got these stockings for me last year, along with those mugs that the 2 mugs that I said are not from here. These are from Target. This is also from Target. So it's a stocking that says D, my initial. So I have this. I have a few of these berry sticks as well. Got them from Meesho, so I will be able to link these down below. This looks really nice, popped inside the tree. So a little bit of this red color pops out from the tree, so this looks really nice for that. I got one of these mini trees. It has this flock kind of effect, snowy effect. I think it's called some bottle brush trees or something like that, I'm not sure, but I have one of these things. I want to put it maybe on one of those shelves, or maybe in my desk. I have a side table as well, like bedside table as well, so don't know where I'll put it, but let's see. I will find a place for this as well. I also got these 2 things of baubles, one in the red color and one in this golden and champagne kind of color. I have had a small tree for like the past 3 to 4 years, and that's the one that I always decorate. But this year I got a new tree. I will link the tree below, but I'm not able to show you that right now. I will do a decorate with me vlog that will come up the week after that, so stay tuned for that. So you can see the tree there. I got a little bit bigger tree this year, so I needed a whole new ornaments for that, so I got this baubles for that. And the last thing I got is this nice pine cone berries wreath. It's very Christmassy, it's very festive. This bauble set, the bottle brush tree and this wreath. I got all this from a store that is in Esplanade. The day I went to shopping with my mom. Also, if you have not seen my shop with me vlog, I will link it in somewhere, so you can check that out. But yeah, we were just walking down this road and saw that there were multiple Christmas stores there, and all the stuff were really amazing, and they had really good aesthetic stuff as well. So I just popped into one of them. I have forgotten the name of the store, but I have a clip of my shopping, so I will just put it here. So that's the name of the store, and they have an Instagram page as well, so I will link it here. You can follow them. They do all year round decorations, birthdays, Halloween, Christmas, all this stuff. So anyways, these are all that I have for Christmas, and I am really excited to decorate my room. I love decorating for Christmas. I decorate a little bit early also. Now this time I'm going to decorate a little bit early because I am vlogging, and I want to get this up by when it's a little bit closer to, by the middle of December. So that's why I'm doing it a little bit earlier. But anyways, I love decorating my room for Christmas. I have been doing it for the last 4 years, and I always enjoy my room a lot more when I decorate. So anyways, I am going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to my old college, having a cute reunion, and then also my nice Christmas vlog, Christmas decor haul. And like and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on Instagram, and I will see you all later. Have a nice week. Bye.